Good day, welcome to subramani.com. I'm going to talk about term insurance and going to tell you that why you should buy only pure term insurance. The problem is too many of us have gone around the countryside saying buy term insurance, buy term insurance, buy term insurance, which means the insurance companies know that 99% of the educated audience to whom they sell will insist on buying term insurance. So, what do? They come out with a new product called term insurance with return of premium. Now, this product is like your potato chips. Now, potato boiled, eaten with the skin without any salt may be good for your health, does not make frieds and does not make fries or potato chips good for your health. That is not true. It is a derivative. The derivative product of the main product may not be good for your health, right? Similarly, riders like return of premium. The product is called term insurance with return of premium. Now, you will not understand that this is not what I had recommended. I had recommended a product called term insurance which had a 8,000 rupee premium for per annum for a 1 crore policy which covered you from your age of 30 till your age of 55. That is what I had told you. I told you to take it at the age of 30 and take it only till the age of 55, which is your normal working age, and by the time you would have created all your wealth. Now they come and tell you, sir, उसमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Unless you die, you will get nothing. However, we have a different product that is called term insurance with return of premium. This is better because even if you live, you will get back something. That looks attractive, right? Here I am saying इसमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा and यहाँ पे कुछ मिल रहा है. So they tell you the premium is little higher, sir. How much is it? It is 30,000 rupees. Now this is not a little higher. This is a big time higher, right? But you say, ठीक है 30,000 दे रहा हूँ, but 30,000 I'll get back. So what's so bad? Nothing, not so bad, because it's a 30-year policy. You've taken it age of, or a 25-year policy. So 25 into 30,000, 7.5 lakhs. You pay 7.5 lakhs, and you get back 7.5 lakhs. What's so bad? Nothing bad, except that you're not considering the future value and the present value. Today's 30,000 is not the same as the 30,000 you will pay when you're 55 years of age. So one, you have to consider the present value and future value. If you consider that, it's not a great thing to be buying. Far more important is the fact that I am asking you to buy a term insurance today with quarterly premium, because after 2-3 years, if a new player comes into town and offers a better policy which pays better or is lesser premium, I will ask you to buy that policy and dump the first policy, because the first policy is charging you 8,000 rupees and the new guy who has come maybe wants market share, so he is offering you the same product at 7,100. Remember, your age has increased by 3 years, but he is offering it to you at 7,100. So fairly logical, take the policy from the second company and dump the policy from the first company. Now, if you had taken the return of premium, right? If you had taken the return of premium, you would say, oh, I've already paid for 4 years. I've paid 1,20,000. Now this 1,20,000 is going to come back to me. So they've created a vested interest in you not to throw away the policy. That is exactly what it is supposed to do. It is supposed to lock you in for the next 30 years or 25 years, whatever you take the policy for. So, right? So don't take that. Third, don't take riders. Don't take riders. Why am I saying? Because riders are far more difficult to understand than the policy itself. For example, you are taking a term insurance. The policy is very clear that in case of death, your family will get the money. Now somebody will try to dissuade you saying, don't buy because maroge to hi paisa milega. So you say, I know marunga to hi paisa milega. I know I will get paid only if I die. However, the policy is not because I will die. The policy is because my family will live, right? So just know nothing else. What happens to the rider is, a rider is more difficult to understand when it is given as a rider than as a standalone. For example, there are two companies, one company charging you 2500 per annum for accidental rider, other company charging you 3100 for the accidental rider. Now prima facie the 3100 looks more expensive, but what happens if this 2500 rupee premium company has a clause which says this will not cover accidents happening inside the house? You will never know about it till the accident happens, because it's not your job to keep track of these things, right? You trust the name, you say okay, accident rider, if there is an accident I'll get paid. That is exactly how we buy a product which we don't understand, but this clause could completely ruin you. So if you want a rider, you want critical illness, you want accidental death, you want those things, take standalone policies which you understand what you have bought. If you don't understand what you are buying, critical illness is very difficult to understand. So when you're buying a critical illness policy, take it to your doctor and ask him, is this a product worth buying? When I did it many years ago, eons away, 2002 or 2003, I went to a cardiac surgeon and asked, what does it cover? He said, don't even bother, it's not worth taking. However, I know people who have taken critical illness cover and got paid for their cancer treatment. It's your choice. Collect all the facts, see which company will pay. Critical illness is far more difficult to understand than death. Sit down, understand, write down, and then buy, but again, not as a rider. This, what you're buying, is a pure term insurance. No rider, no nothing, just the term insurance. Whatever you want accidental death, you want critical illness, buy it as a separate policy. Thank you. And most important, say no to term insurance with return of premium. Remember, it's a derivative of the healthy potato. Unhealthy fries is not what I'm suggesting. I'm saying potato, you're looking at fries. Be careful. Thank you.